Hi guys! Grabe, sobrang tagal na ng huling upload ko. I mean, on the side lang naman hobby ang pagba-vlog. Pero, ewan ko, today nagkaroon ako ng urge na parang, why not vlog today? Eme! So today, it's a Saturday. Hindi ko na nga alam kung anong date. Basta alam ko day off ako today. And magpapa-change oil kami. And I just want to show you how much would it cost magpa-change oil and ano itsura nung vibe. Wanna say hi? To the vlog. Dali na oh. May mag-hi oh.
Sino ba yun?
Si vlog nga ni. Dali na oh.
Wait lang babe. Picture na ako.
For the important. Ayun na for say hi.
Hello.
Ayun. Ayun. I'll show you later kung ano itsura. Andito na tayo. Oh, before medyo madumi-dumi pa. Ayan oh, may kasi after nila i-change oil yan dito, alam ko hinuhugasan nila eh. Ayan ang kinis niya. Oh. Tara. Tara, let's go. Sino ba daw? Kahit sino?
Casino.
Tayo ni Bring Drink. Paano daw?
Ilagay mo lang. Tapos, probably pindot.
Baka fresh vanilla. Lace cup. Ay, ito daw. Dito daw. Start. Lasang mahal.
Just maybe 1 second.
Just take a seat first.
Photos of the car. I'll be right back. Okay.
Mag-click sila ng photos before para kung ibabalik nila. Tapos kung nakita kang, oh,
Ano nangyari?
ay ba't parang may piniso dito na napong lang niya yung susig mo doon.
So I see we're booked for the oil change service. That's covered by your warranty plan. And then the front brakes as well.
Yeah.
Was there any other concerns with the car?
No, the car's good. Yeah.
Hindi mo itatanong yung karte.
Yeah.
Later.
I have a question though. I wonder. I mean, I don't know. I wonder if you guys have like some like I guess like spare. So basically, what happened was like it's like a floor mat, right? On the passenger rear side.
Yeah.
For some reason, I don't have it. Like
Oh,
it's
okay.
not there.
Yeah.
But for the other sides, it's there. So I don't know what happened, which is weird. Like just disappeared. So
Yeah.
I wonder if there's like any spare or like because it just looks weird.
I don't know. I think there used to be an area where they had some extras kicking around.
Okay.
I'll walk over there and see if there's anything come
Yeah.
up there.
Okay. Thanks so much. Yeah, I'm like, what happened to it? I mean, why is it just one? Like
Yeah.
it just doesn't make sense to me.
Very odd.
And it's not like something that I'll take out, you know, like often. Like okay, like maybe if you clean, yeah, I'll take it out, but for sure you'll put it back, right?
Yeah.
So I don't know what happened.
That's very weird. Would you like us to wash it when we're finished?
Yes, please.
Tinatanong ko.
Where would you like to be dropped off today? Is it the Sunbank?
Yeah. Hmm?
Nag-boost.
So yun na. Naibok na ang change oil. Palit ng front brakes.
Yeah.
Pero part ng warranty yung change oil, so walang bayad.
How much was the...
$10.50 ba? $10.50?
No.
1,050?
Yeah.
Sheesh! Akala ko sabi niya, front brakes cost $10.50. Eh, mali ko ba $10.50 isa? Puta. Hindi. Tapos binok na nila kami ng Uber kasi charge na yun sa kanila. Like, complimentary book ng car pa uwi. Alam ko pabalik, ibubuk din nila, diba?
Yes.
Yeah, so, ayan. BRB. 4 hours daw?
3 to 4.
3 to 4 hours daw. Sneak peek ng kanilang showroom. Cute nito. Cute din siguro yung price. Check ko. Eme. Boogs. 119k. Bakit? Ah, base. Tapos yung ang daming add-on.
This is ano? M car. 6.
Sheesh. Bago yun, diba? Parang ano, bunganga ng langaw. Ayun na, na-realize ko na para siyang yung sa langaw. Kasi maliit lang siya eh, dapat.
Ay, mata na
Oo, parang ganun. Bunganga ba? Ay, sorry. No, yun na, na-correct na agad. Mata pala. Yung iba. Pabukas na ako, babe. Please. Hindi mag-operate. Mali ka man, uy. Kaya nga. Kasi ito paglabas. Naghintay lang kami Uber, 6 minutes daw. Tiyanan.
Oh, okay. Nag-seatbelt ka na.
Hindi na. Huwag na.
Kailangan yun.
Hindi ako. Time check. 4:30.
Think so.
Ito na siya. Malinis na. Check mo yung sa likod.
Suspect talaga.
Wala talaga. Oo. Ayan na siya. Tapos, ito yung total. Yung labor room. Labor room, 250. Brakes, 800. Wait lang. Nahanap ko yung coolant. Ayun. Coolant flush. Ang taray, environmental fee. Shop supplies. Yun lang. All good.